Wow, look at that! Every single strip. Uniform, golden, perfectly coated. This is Shantai crispy chicken. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make it. Before we do anything, go into the freezer for 20 minutes, making it easier to cut. Now we slice. Long, thin strips, even strips. Consistent results. That's the goal. Let's marinate. Salt, sugar, scallion powder, garlic powder, and egg white. Mix well and sit for 30 minutes. %60 flour, 40% cornstarch. Flour offers structure. Starch offers crispy. Mix them in a bowl. Press in. Turn it over. Press again. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Now let's come to the fry part. Oil at 170 degrees. Let each strip in carefully. Don't drop them in. Don't move them for the first 90 seconds. Let the coating set. When the color goes deeper gold, the bubbles almost disappear. Stop. Look, every strip, uniform, golden, perfectly coated. Season with classic salt and pepper mix and chili powder. Here comes my secret sauce. 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon true whole sauce, 2 teaspoon garlic chili sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, chili powder, chicken powder. Mix them well. Low heat, let it warm up slowly. You're waiting for big bubbles, not small ones, big ones. Add starch water slowly, a little at a time. Keep stirring, don't stop. When it is that, stop. This sauce takes it to a whole new level.